Hello guys, welcome to a new video. I'm now making two videos of this bike, so the people who are Dutch, go to my other channel and I will do everything in Dutch, and in this video I will do everything in English. So the plan, what I will do, the radiator is leaking, so I will take the radiator of this bike and all the parts I need. I will take it from this bike and put it on this bike. Why I do that? Because this bike I will keep in Dubai and this bike I will ship back to Holland. And because I have a lot of spare parts in Holland, I will fix the bike when it reaches back in Holland. So now I will use this one for the parts to fix this one, and hopefully I can go for a ride today. So enjoy the video and let me know in the comments what you think about my bike. And as you can see, I removed the radiator from this bike. This is the Gen 1 radiator with the hoses, and I removed the radiator of this bike, Gen 2, and this is this one. So I will replace the hoses and the radiator. So I will go from one fan to two cooling fans. Only one downside is the Gen 1 has the thermostat, the sensor for the fan in the radiator, and in the Gen 2 it's in the engine. It works different. So, but for my bike I don't really use it because I have the switch to turn it on. So yes, now everything back together. Next step is I will remove this tank to see if the problem is with the fuel pump instead of the computer. Then I will put this tank on this bike and then go for a test ride. So if everything works fine, the only thing that I need to do is replace the fuel pump from the black tank into the blue tank, and then the bike is ready again. And this is really what I like, to work on the bikes with no noise, no people interrupting, just me and the bike. Gives me really a peace of mind. Also, you see the heat wrap, especially for a drift bike, so it doesn't become too hot underneath the fairings. And of course the Brox exhaust and the long swing arm. By the way, if you like these swing arms, these are custom made. This is our own design. Also you see CSB, so we can ship them worldwide if you need a drift swing arm. Very strong. This one is made out of steel. It's heavy, but the purpose of the swing arm is that it's strong. Because when you have a drift bike, you can sometimes crash the bike. And for example, with this swing arm, aluminium swing arm, it can be bent or damaged very fast. And the steel swing arm is very strong. So let's put everything back together now, and then try to start it. Okay, first this one, then we do the fuel tank, and then we will start it. So almost ready. I changed the fuel pump. So let's see if it starts. I can hear the fuel pump, so that's okay. It's running. back on and time for a ride. And the bike is back like original. Okay, not really original, but I changed the fuel pump, I upgraded the cooling system, so now it's ready for a test ride. So I hope you enjoyed the video. This time no time lapse. I will do it next time because it was I was more focused on the work than the filming. So let's start it. The pump is Chinese, unfortunately, so it makes some noise. Let's see to start it. And it starts. And it works. So let's see with the test ride. It's beautiful weather in Dubai today, so I will take a shower, change clothes, pick up my helmet and go for a test ride. So I hope you enjoyed this video. I know it's been a while that I post something, but I was very busy, so now I'm less busy, so I will make some more videos. Also because I will travel back to the Netherlands because of some things that I need to arrange in the Netherlands for Dubai. So hopefully soon I will be back in Dubai before the summer starts, but we'll see how it goes. In the meanwhile, I will make some videos in Holland in my shop about some things on the bikes. Also I will build a bike so I can enjoy some of the riding, like practicing, because in Dubai I didn't have really the place to practice, and I really miss drifting and to finish the tires. So hopefully I can make some more videos about that. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to CSB Fever, and leave something in the comments what you want to see next. See you next time.